So today we are going to discuss about international system of numeration. So previously we already discussed about the Hindu-Arabic system, that is crore, lakhs, thousand and ones, and we are using comma after three numbers from the right side, then two, then two, and then two, and so on. Now for the international system of numeration, we are using three digits after 1, 10, 100, comma, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, then million, 10 million, 100 million. We also use after this is billion, trillion. Also use this billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, and trillion, 10 trillion, and 100 trillion. But we are not using this in this book, only we are using up to million. So this is the format of the international system of numeration, and we are using million, thousands, and ones here. Now see the examples. Now for example, if we write 342 820 500. Both the numbers are same here. So see that 342820 500, 342820 500. Both the numbers are same here, but the difference is the system. The system is Hindu-Arabic system here, and here international system of numeration. So here we have to say that is 300 million 342 million. We can write here 342 million 820,500. Okay, so this is 342 million 820,500. Okay, but in the Hindu-Arabic system you have to say 34 crore 28 lakhs 20,500. So this is the difference between two system of numeration. Now using comma, here we are using comma after three digits from the right. So see that after three digits, after three digits, after three digits, and so on. But in the Hindu-Arabic system, we are using only firstly three digit, then two digits. So this is first three digits, then two digits, two digits, two digits, and so on. Okay, this is the difference between two systems. Now we are going to the exercise. Now in number 1, see that rewrite each of the following numbers with proper commas using international place value chart. So that means the numbers is given in the Hindu-Arabic system, you have to write in the international system. So that just write the number first, is number 2. In number 2 given 358. From the back I am writing now. So 267 4853. So this comma and this comma. Okay. Now in number 4, see that 098. So 098 09 0990. Okay, so comma, using comma. So that means this is 900 million 900 9,098. Okay, and this one 3,584,267. Okay, see that. Next, number 2. In number 2, see that you have to write in the numerals. given number name. So 519 250 086. So this is 500. Write it all of you. I'm just telling you only. 519 millions 250,000 86. Okay, 519 million 250,000 86. Okay, write it. And next number 4. These are very easy. You have to write only the period and the numbers only. So 67, 010, 206. So you have to write 67 million 10,000 206. Write it all of you. 67 million 10,000 206. Okay. And in number 6, see that 600 606, 006. So that means 600 million 606,006. 600 million 606,006. Okay, write it all of you. Now write the numeral for each of the following in the international system. So you have to write in the numeral form. So in number 2, see that in number 2, 63 million 605,002. Okay. Next, number 4, 934 million 873,506. Next, number 5, 504 million 807,319. And number 8, 100 million 100,000 100. Okay, so just you have to write the period, millions, thousand, ones in this format and write the numbers easily. Okay, note it down all of you. So in number 4, one number is given. This is 695 803 704. So 9 digits number is there. So you have to write in international system and in Hindu Arabic system also, and with the name, number name. Okay. So now firstly, period, crore, lakhs, thousand, ones. So that means ones, 10, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is 407308596. That means 69 crore 58 lakh 3,704. So this is the Hindu Arabic system. Okay, this is in the Hindu Arabic system. In book number 2 is given, I think. Okay, number 2, second part. Note it down, all of you. So now in the international system of numeration, we are using million, thousands, and ones. That is 100, 10 ones, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So now 695,803,704, comma. Now write it 600 90 sorry 5 million 800 3,000 704. So 695 million 803,704. So this is the international system of numeration. This is number 1, 481. So one number is given. You have to write the number in the international system of numeration and the Hindu Arabic system of numeration. So these type of questions are coming in exam for 3 marks. So please take it seriously for these sums. Okay. And so this is the you are already complete the chapter. So next day we are discussing some multiple choice questions and some mental maths are there. So in the next class only we are discussing some multiple choice question and mental maths. So be prepared for that. Read all the parts, all the exercise, all the concept properly, that we have discussed this last part easily. Okay. And the exercise 1E is a ratio sums, a homework for the day. Thank you all of you.